You can clear emotions through Reiki, tracing the meridian and clearing out old energy and gathering new energy. And then going out to the sides. Or you can do it in front. And even the face. Not touching, just tracing very close to the skin. And you can even bring that down to the earth and shake. Let it go and then shake a little bit on the spot, lifting the heels slightly, or keeping the heels on the ground and just shake. Bring the hands up to open the lungs. And do this a few times to clear any excess stress or tension. And then another one is to tap on the back, knocking on the door of life, or the gates of life, which are the kidney area. The kidneys house our energy reserves. And then we can tap like this. And go back. And then stop to see how you feel. Sway like a willow tree. Just let your body do what it wants to do without intention. Flow with the energy that you feel. And we'll just massage this point as well to clear stress and tension in the shoulders. And massage the kidneys. Which hold on to fear. Brush down the back of the legs and wash it into the earth. Gather up new energy, new vitality from the water element. And wash down the heart fire, clearing any heat. And then we'll just tap on the back and swing. Just on the back of the neck. Right on the bone. Slow it down, and we'll swing side to side now. It's called the Zen swing. can either lift the back of the heel, or you can just do a knee bend. And feel free to go as high as you want. If you want more of a uplifting movement. This one just opens the shoulders and the chest. I'll slow it back down. Next, let's do our pushing mountains. So with this one, we don't push all the way forward, just to about here, then bring it back, not all the way, just to about here. So it's so when I get to here, I'm already feeling this energy pulling back. I don't start with this. So I start from the shoulders